Today I'm going to talk about foundation matching and a little bit of custom blending. I am going to share with you a little bit about how to understand your undertones and then how to select your foundation. So I'm going to start with Perfecta Base, and this is our high coverage foundation. I love and personally wear Perfecta Base just because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and need to get a little extra coverage. But with Perfecta Base, it can, and I'll show you in the application in a second how easy it is to apply as well. What I did is we have an N series and an O series and a bronze series. So I used a swatch of the N2, which is the lightest foundation right here, and then I put N3, which is the next shade up. And I feel like the N3 is blending quite a bit with her skin. Actually, you want to put your swatch on, and I also recommend that when you swatch your foundation, let it dry for a little bit, because sometimes when it dries, that color can change or it can darken. On the other side, I applied these 4 different ones. This is our O series. This is more of the yellow olive foundation. And I have right here, the lightest one is 01. We can see that that obviously is not the right color for her. The 02, then we have the 03, which is definitely more yellow. You want to compare this to your skin tone as well. So that's the best way to really look at your foundations, and also kind of how it's blending in with the neck too. And then right here, this one looks almost like it's a little dirty spot on her face, and that is the 04. So what the point of this is it's a process of elimination. We obviously know this is way too light, so N2 is a no-go. I am liking the N3 because I feel like it's not maybe perfect until I put it on her face, but it's really close. With CARA Cosmetics, we custom blend our foundations. Not everyone needs custom blending, but there's a perfect match that you can get if you need to tweak it a little bit. So I love that. And in her case, we could either choose to go with one that is a little bit more pink and add a tiny bit of yellow in there that would make that add a little bit of warmth. Or if you're going with a more yellow foundation, then I could probably add, in order to eliminate some of this yellow, I could add a little tiny bit of a lilac, which is going to neutralize that yellow in the foundation. And then she has a custom blended color perfect for her skin tone. So that's how we do it. I'm going to go ahead and take all those off, and we're going to apply the foundation shade.